This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Hey family, thank you for joining us today. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, your recteq expert. And today, we're not doing your grandmama's brown gravy. We're doing smoked brown gravy on the RT590 from recteq. We're burning the Kingsford Classic Pellet, a mixture of hickory, oak, and cherry with that no-holds-barred flavor. I can't wait to show you this recipe, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for content just like this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to head outside to the RT590 from recteq. Let's get out there. I'll see you at the recteq. All right, family, we're back from the backyard. We just pulled this off of the RT590 from recteq. Man, we were burning that classic Kingsford pellet today. It gave this gravy a good, bold flavor. Now, this is a classic gravy here. You can literally use this for anything from Salisbury steaks to turkeys to mashed potatoes. I'd even put it on a sandwich as well to moisten it up. That bread would soak up that gravy and be absolutely amazing. This is a great addition to any holiday meal or any meal in particular that you're trying to cook for a large number of people. We've got some hungry people out at that holiday table, so I'm going to try this one more time to make sure I don't need any additional seasonings, and we're going to put it on the table. Man, that's savory. Just reminds me of the holidays. It reminds me of having a full belly, a warm place to sleep, and a roof over my head. I am proud to serve this gravy to my friends and family. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad. Follow me on all social media at BBQ Dad Jody. Make sure you subscribe to the Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel as well. I'm going to get this to the table. We'll see you at the recteq. Daddy, I got the gravy ready!